Hi and welcome. In this video, you will learn how to flatten an array or a matrix in Python. And by flattening, we mean transforming a matrix into a one-dimensional array. We can use the method flatten to transform a matrix into a one-dimensional array. Let's now go to practice. First, we need to import the NumPy library. As an example, we are going to create a 3x3 matrix. To flatten this matrix, we use the method flatten like this. As you see in the output, the matrix was transformed into a one-dimensional array. An alternative method to flatten a matrix is by using the reshape method to create a row vector. And we can apply it like this. As you see, we have got the same output, similar to the flatten method. With this, we finished the video, where you learned how to flatten an array or a matrix in Python. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I hope that was helpful.